2012 Ford Ranger. This is how to remove the radio. That's this whole unit here, and it just all clips out. First you need to get a bit of an edge though, that's the issue. So I've got a thinner tool to try and get in. Just get a bit of a lip on there. Get a bigger one. And another one. It's just a matter of working your way around and it will just clip out. There you go. So the bottom part's unclipped. Now just got to follow around to the top. Now we'll unplug those connectors. I'll need two hands to do that, so I'll just put the camera down. Now with that plastic panel removed, undo those two screws, one each side. Now with those two screws out, it's a matter of just pulling it out. Now it might be very, very stuck, so you'll need two hands just to keep pulling on it. There's nothing else holding it in. It will feel like it's quite solid, most likely. This one did, and then I pulled it out